Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy, MasterBlinxey, back again with another video. Today I'm going to be looking at this fake heavy hitters cart and showing you guys the signs to look for when you're buying your own heavy hitters carts to see which ones are fake and which ones are real. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so there are 5 big signs to look for when it comes to identifying a fake over a real heavy hitters cart. So I'm just going to quickly go into each of those. First up, we have cold filtered at the top. Real heavy hitters carts that are sold as 1 gram cartridges do not say cold filtered at the top. They just simply don't have that. They just say all of this stuff. So that's already a big red flag. Second red flag would be that California label on the inside of the box that I'm trying to show you guys. That should not be there. That should be blank, and it should just have the HH for heavy hitters on this silver foil type thing, or the silver foil type paper on the inside of the packaging. That California label that you see right there should actually be right here on authentic heavy hitters packaging. The third sign is right down here where you see the 2019 Fluids Manufacturing Inc. and all of that other bullshit. That should not be there. What should be there is this push to release embroidered into the box where you have to tear it to open it. You should not be able to open real cart boxes this easily, because obviously that can make it easy for anyone to just put whatever they want into these boxes. So the fourth sign would be right here where it says instructions. That should actually say suggested use. And then finally, you have right here where it says Bubba Kush. That is not a strain that Heavy Hitters offers in their 1 gram cartridges. I'm going to link the Heavy Hitters website in the description, but you can actually go there and see a list of every strain they offer. So if your plug is trying to sell you one that's not on that list on their website, then you know he's bullshitting you. Those are a few very quick signs that you can look at to see if you're getting a fake or a real Heavy Hitters cart. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug it into my battery, take a few puffs on it to see how it tastes and see how it hits. And I'll go ahead and come back tomorrow and tell you guys how the high is, how it makes me feel, and if these are even worth buying. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into that. Alright, so the 710 carts that these heavy hitters are using are not dab cap compatible, unfortunately. It's the same kind of tip that you can see in exotic carts. It's sort of like a funnel, but it's too small to actually clip on, or not clip on, but like attach itself to the dab cap. So unfortunately I can't show you guys a rip through a rig. But if these carts are actually decent, I'll figure out how to do that for tomorrow. So for now, let's just go ahead and take a few puffs, see how these carts taste and how they rip, and I'll let you know my thoughts. So cheers, guys. So off that rip, I'm getting a bit of earthy taste. It tastes kind of like dirt, if I'm being honest. It's not very pleasant, but the smoke is really smooth and it doesn't really hurt my lungs while I'm hitting it, so that's a good sign. I'm gonna go ahead and take another rip and we'll see if I'm starting to feel a buzz off too. So cheers. Yeah, I'm getting good cloud production on it. I don't feel a buzz or anything, but these are so... It doesn't feel like a chore to have to puff on this cart. I'd actually definitely hit this thing all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll come back tomorrow and share my thoughts, and we'll see if these carts are worth buying. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so I'm going through so much bullshit to get this video done right now. This is my 3rd time recording this part of the video, because the first time I recorded it, I didn't press record. The second time I recorded it, I had a Miranda Sings hairline, so we cut that shit out. I'm gonna leave the other half of this part in, simply because I don't want to re-record that. I do not want to get that high again. You'll see I was super fried during this half, and I look terrible. But anyway, so things I went over in the part where I had the bad hairline. So I've used this cart for 2 days now, and I used it for 2 days because I didn't think 1 day was enough to get a good read on the highs, the potency, and all the other good stuff I like to review. And what got cut out was when I was talking about the potency. It's really good. 4 to 5 hits gets you a nice buzz, 6 to 7 hits gets you high, and then if you get to 9 hits, then you might be slumped or you're in space. Like, this cart really does hit heavy, even if it's not like a legit heavy hitters cart. And yeah, now I'll go back to myself in the past to finish off the video, so see you guys. Oh yeah, and the camera angles suck right now because my tripod literally just broke while I was trying to finish this video, so... You know, we're just having fun. It's a great time. What could go wrong, right? But yeah, so I'm gonna order a new tripod so I can fix my angles again. We might have to go back to the old recording area. Yeah, so channel updates, yay! Next up, we have how long these carts last. I have been using this cart for 2 days now, and it's about 1/4 of the way done. So that means that it would probably last around 8 days, if you're lucky. I've also been sort of sparing with this cart, not gonna lie, but it does get me high for a long time, so like, being sparing is also easy with it. My next point is the flavor and wax quality. I know in my initial review of it, I said it just tasted like straight dirt, but after hitting it a few more times, I can sort of start to taste more earthy tones, like when you taste coffee. It doesn't taste exactly like coffee, but it does taste sweet and earthy, like a coffee beverage would. I would highly recommend getting this cart, honestly. Like, the wax quality is decent. It's very slow moving, which was like a good sign for me. And unlike with the TKO cart, even though it's slow moving, this one actually does hit really fucking hard. If you guys have these around you and they look around the same like quality as these ones, I would highly recommend picking them up. I would set these up like right there with Danks and Dabwoods. Easily an 8 out of 10. I already filmed this review and I'm really high right now, so it's kind of hard to like keep a steady train of thought. But I think all I have it done for the second half is take hits on camera. So let's go ahead and take 2 rips out of the battery, and then we'll go ahead and take 2 rips through Violet, and then we'll end the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, please leave in the comments what your favorite cart brand is right now, because I'm trying to find new brands to try. I already have Dragon's Breath on my list, and I really want to try Rove soon. But yeah, and please in the comments stop telling me to try like Stizzy. I can't try Stizzies even though I really want to, so every time y'all tell me to try a Stizzy, I just die a little bit more inside. Where I live, we don't have like Stizzies, alright? So I cannot try them. Thanks for the suggestions though, I really appreciate it, and if I do ever find a Stizzy, the first thing I will do is record myself trying it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into these rips, guys. Cheers. Yeah, it just tastes really good, and the hits are actually starting to be pretty smooth off of it too. When I first recorded it, I coughed like a bitch after all of my hits, but now that I'm already high, all these hits just feel smooth and taste really good. So let's go ahead and take another hit. Cheers. My throat about dry as shit, so let me go ahead and drink some water and then I'll take another hit. I hope y'all can see how high I am right now, because your boy is fucking fried. Anyway, so, cheers. I tried to... I tried to do a ghost. I don't know if it showed, but your boy tried. Alright, anyway, let's go ahead and take a few ribs through Violet, and then I'll end the video. So the hard part is trying to figure out how to smoke these through a dab cap, so I'm going to get behind the camera and just show you real close up, like the easiest way to do it, so that in case you guys have a dab cap and these kind of tips, you can smoke them through rigs too. Okay, so to get this with a dab cap, this is so hard to hold with one hand. You have to like put the dab cap upside down, and then you just have to like hold the cart on top of it. Let's see if it'll focus. And then you just have to hold the cart on top of it like that, and that way it funnels into the piece anyway. I'll go ahead and show you guys a hit. Oop. Yeah. So just for the record real quick, this will be my third hit through Violet off this cart since I've started my smoke sesh. And I've probably taken 5 hits of the cart, like on just trying to do this review, and I'm already like this fried. So that should just speak for the like potency of this cart. All right, y'all. Cheers.
Not really, only the smudgeness of it. The pink slippered all-containered, semi-precious eagerness of it. I didn't realise it would sometimes be more than whole, but the wholeness was
All right.
rather a curious idea, because it's half while viewing half.
I know this next hit is gonna send me, so I'm gonna go ahead and say peace right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys stick around. My next video is going to be sort of a channel update, I think, and I'm going to be talking about this giveaway that I want to do. But yeah, leave in the comments some ideas of it. Keep it kind of like under $100 or around $100, because I'm just having to pay for this out of pocket. So thanks again for watching all of my content. Thank you guys for subscribing and commenting and liking all my videos. All of it means a lot to me, and I do my best to respond to as many comments as I can. But if I ever miss your comment, just like comment again or something, or like if you want, you can hit me up on Instagram and Twitter. Like, y'all are chill, and I like having a community here. So thanks again, and let's get this last hit out the way, guys. I'll see you guys later. I just realized I say guys a lot, guys and gals, in case I have any of the ladies watching me. Yeah, in case I have any like women watching me, then welcome to the channel as well. Thanks. Cheers, guys.